Hello everyone! Today I am doing a haul video for you guys, and this is all of the stuff that I got at the Oregon Nail Expo, which I did a vlog about, some behind the scenes stuff. So if you want to see that, I will put that up above here, a little link. And I got a ton of stuff at the show, super exciting. I got lots of new glitters and different fun things to show you guys. This is not everything, but this is just some of the stuff that I got. So let's go ahead and get started, and I'll probably start with, let's start with the Light Elegance stuff, so stay tuned. And then also, because I was at the expo, I have like some totally random stuff going on with my nails, so just so you know, that is the reason why. And then I also have like these 3 nails are super grown out and still need to be done, and then I got some done at the expo, and then I did a couple, and then I just threw on some glitter and chrome and different things, so that is why my nails look a little crazy, just in case you're wondering. So yeah, let's go and get started with this haul. Okay, so as far as Light Elegance products go, so I picked up 2 of the Light Elegance Super Shiny Top Coats, which is actually probably my favorite hands down top coat to use on top of gels, especially because it doesn't stain. Since it is a hard gel top coat, it doesn't stain. Hairdressers can wear like white, it works great, it stays shiny. My favorite top coat to use. So I picked up 2 of the Light Elegance Super Shiny. I grabbed the brand new Very Good glitter gel. This one is pretty amazing. I've already used it a couple times on some of my clients. It's absolutely gorgeous, iridescent. It's not really holographic, it's definitely more iridescent with some big chunky glitters in there. It's almost kind of like a pink to green iridescent. It's absolutely gorgeous. So this one is called Very Good. I also picked up Whimsical Way, which is also from their brand new collection. This one is more of like a orange, red. I believe it's got like some pinks in there. So this one's pretty fun. I thought this one would be a good one for summer. The next one I grabbed is called Locals Only. And this one is a really pretty pink with some almost like oranges, like a light orange, purple, blue. I see a whole bunch of different things in there. So that one is also really, really pretty. So this one is called Locals Only. Next thing I grabbed is a buttercream, which is Tailgater. This one is a super, super bright coral. Definitely more orange coral. It's not really even showing up like the actual color in the camera, but it's a super bright coral, and I knew I didn't have anything like this, so I definitely wanted to grab this one. I also got Edgar Allan Purpo. So this is another buttercream. This one's a really pretty like shimmery purple, more of like a almost like pink toned purple. Super shimmery. I saw this one online a couple times and I thought that this one would be really pretty, and I didn't have anything like this color, so I grabbed this one as well. The next Light Elegance product that I got was the Q and Lou Spa Essentials set. And I'm super excited about this because it's supposed to be all natural and it smells amazing. Came with the Bamboo Polish Scrub, the Bamboo Lotion. It came with the Spa Oil, the Salt Soak, and it also came with this like that you can put in the window of your salon to advertise that you're using the Q and Lou Spa Essentials. And it came with 2 buffers and 2 files also. So that's pretty cool because I am interested in their brand new files that they came out with. And it has a really, really amazing lavender mint smell, very spa-like smell. I believe it also has some like tea tree, basil, shea butter, mint, bamboo, and vitamin E. So that's what the Q and Lou Spa Essentials is. So I grabbed that. So that is all of the Light Elegance stuff that I did pick up at the expo. So next I'll show you guys the Accents products that I got. I use the Accents gel line with all of my clients. This is the like a base gel that I use to do all of my extensions and overlays and all that stuff. And then I use different brands of colors and all sorts of things on top. So this is the Accents Natural Pink, which is my normal go-to gel to use, so I picked up 2 pots of that. This is what it looks like inside the pot. It's a pretty like clear pink. I also grabbed one of the Enhance Clear, which is more of a runny consistency, so it's a little bit better for overlays. I always like to have one of these on hand, so that's the Enhance, and that is what it looks like. That's one of my older jars. There's some glitter in the bottom, but a little bit more of a runnier consistency. I also grabbed 2 of the natural coverage pinks. So I grabbed the cool pink and the warm pink. So these are the same consistency as the gel that I normally use pretty much on everyone, the natural, except they're coverage gels. So I have a cool pink, which is more of like your true like pink, and then the warm pink, which is more of like a peachy nude neutral color. So I like to have these on hand, and I was out of both of them. I grabbed 3 of the options colors, and these are all glass colors. I didn't have any of like jelly colors or glass colors, so I wanted to grab a couple of those. So I grabbed the red, the blue, and the pink. Yeah, it definitely looks like they need to give a stir because you can see the like clear sitting on top of the pigment right there. In the pot, the pink kind of looks like an orange, like brown, but then when I pull it out, you can definitely see it's definitely a pink color. Definitely a primary blue. It's your standard blue. I grabbed 4 of the Gel Play colors, which are the accent gels that are made to do art with, so you can draw like fine lines with them. I grabbed the brand new Gel Play Line It colors, which these ones are actually made to do like really tiny details with, and I have the regular black and white, but I wanted to try these as well. So I got the white and the black of the Line It. Then I grabbed 2 of their glittery Gel Play colors. I grabbed Pink Champagne, which is a huge staple of mine. This is a like rose gold one that you can do art with. I'll show you guys my old one just so you can see the color. But it's pretty cleaned out. There's a little bit left in there, but I definitely wanted to grab another one, so grabbed a new of the Pink Champagne, and then I grabbed this one called Icy Violet. That is really gorgeous. I actually haven't even opened it yet. So that is Icy Violet. It's a really, really light, pretty pastel glittery purple. I also grabbed from Accents a new lamp. I have one of their lamps already and I really, really like it, so I wanted to get a second one. So I grabbed one of the lamps. These lamps are amazing, really, really strong. You get a really good cure out of them. And they have the timers on the back, and it also counts down on the back so you know how many seconds you have left. So I also grabbed 2 of their Luxio Top Coats, which is their gel polish line. I grabbed 2 of those, and I grabbed 1 of their base coats. I grabbed a new white because I'm almost running out of the white gel polish. I grabbed the color Smolder, which I have already. I have a mini one, but it's almost out, and it's a really popular color, so I wanted to grab a new one of those, which is like a really, really bright orange coral. As a little goodie, they threw in the Accents Lights Out, which is a glow-in-the-dark, I believe it's a top coat, glow-in-the-dark top coat that you can put over any gel polish or any gel, and you can make it glow-in-the-dark, so that's pretty fun. Lastly, I grabbed one of these like agate stone palettes, and it's not Accents brand, but it was sold by Love Nails, which is the supplier of the Accents gels. So I grabbed one of these too. I've been seeing people use these and I thought they were pretty cool, and I wanted a palette that was a little bit smaller, so I grabbed one of these. So I also stopped by the Famous Names booth, which sells my absolute favorite lotion. I will show you guys. This is the Luxury Daddy Lotion, which is my favorite for pretty much anything. It smells amazing, smells like a spa. All of my clients love it. I usually can't keep it on the shelves because my clients are always buying it for themselves. They also have a daddy scrub, which is like a pretty big container, but they just came out with these little 1 ounce mini daddy scrubs. So I picked up 5 of these, and these are retail for my clients. They also just came out with a lip balm, so I think I picked up 5 of these, which I have used, and so have some of my clients already, and it is an amazing lip balm. So I also retail these for my clients. And then I picked up a really, really big, giant 32-ounce lotion, which I actually have some clients who buy these from me, the big ones, or I use them to refill my smaller bottles at my station. One other retail item that I grabbed is the Footlogix DD Cream Mousse. These are amazing. They have a lot of different mousses that you can purchase and choose from for whatever type of needs that you or your clients have. This is just like the basic, everybody can benefit from this. If you have dry feet, it's amazing. My clients are loving it, so I grabbed a couple more of those for retail. So I also stopped at the Profiles booth and I grabbed a couple things. I grabbed one pair of nippers, the like rainbowy nippers, so I needed one more, so I grabbed one of these from the Profiles booth. I also grabbed their gel melt, which is like their version of a blooming gel, so I grabbed that. I don't have any blooming gel at all, and I'm still kind of playing with it a little bit, but I grabbed it just to kind of play around and see what I could do with that. So that is their gel melt. I grabbed one pack of their buffers. I was out of buffers and I really needed some, so I just grabbed a pack of theirs. And so far, actually, I've been really liking them. 100, 180 grit, 20 of their little purple buffers. They had some Erica's bits for sale, so I grabbed 2 of the Erica's Skyver bits, which are currently my favorite cuticle bits to use. So I grabbed 2 of those. It actually it says the name of them is the Micro Taper, and that is in a medium grit. From the Joya Mia booth, I grabbed 2 of their glass gels just to try them out. And this is the number 12. It's a blue. And then number 16, which is a purple. So I also stopped by at the Magpie booth, which is new in the US. So it's a company from the UK, and they just started selling in the US, I believe pretty recently. I was super excited to see their booth there since I've never tried their products, but I've seen them online and I really wanted to, and they have lots of fun glitters and chromes. So I grabbed a couple of those. This one is in the color Gabby. And this one is Sophie, and this one is like a party on your nail. So pretty. And Gabby, to me, is more on the gold side, but it's got like a hint, maybe like a champagne, rose gold. I grabbed these 3 rose gold ones. We have the stars, which I believe these go with Gabby, so I think these are like called Gabby stars. And then these are the hexagons. And then these ones are hexagons, but they're holographic. So we have non-holographic and holographic. Super excited because I didn't have any chunky rose gold glitter, so I was super excited about that. I grabbed these stars, which are red and purple. I believe these are Frankie stars. Picked up these 2 gold and silver. They're stars, but they're more like a twinkly star versus like an actual star. And then I grabbed this really, really fun triangle. I think these are the dark triangles. They're almost like 3D looking. They're pretty cool. Then these are all of the chrome powders that I purchased. So we have Madonna, which is like a fuchsia. This one is sapphire blue. Emerald. Garnet is the red. Amethyst, the purple. And Florence, which is the rose gold, which is what I have currently on my pinky, is Florence. And my pointer finger is Madonna. So I have Florence on my pinky and the Madonna on my pointer, which look how fabulous that is. Super exciting. So I got all those colors in chromes. So that's about it of the stuff that I actually purchased, but I wanted to show you guys too that we got like lots of little samples. These are the Orly forms. There's like a face mask, magic gel forms, all sorts of different little goodies and things, fun things like that to try. And then actually this bag is full of things that we actually got. So At the expo, we were told to bring business cards, and then we could trade business cards for goodies at each booth. So that's what a lot of this stuff is, plus we got a goodie bag when we walked in. So I'll kind of go through quickly just some of these little things in here that we got. So we got a shellac CND in Video Violet, a purple. The Petty socks, which are socks that you can wear when you get pedicures, and you can have your toes stick out so you can get your toes painted, but your feet can still be warm. So that's what Petty socks are. The Rejuvenate Disinfectant wipes, which I loved these, and they're actually, the cool thing about these is they're not supposed to be as hard on your skin as other disinfectants, so you can like pull these out and wipe down counters or your desk or anything, or I even use them on my pedicure chair, wipe it down, and it disinfects the surface, but it doesn't harm your skin as much, and they smell like a I want to say like a cherry almond smell, so they actually have like a really nice smell to them, so I really like these. We got Morgan Taylor polish. This is Watch Your Step Sister, and I usually use regular polish for pedicure still, so I will put this over by my pedicure area. Some silver and gold foil from Dollar Nail Art. These are 2 acrylic powders, which I don't actually do acrylics, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these. Maybe I'll give them to a friend who I know does acrylics. So 2 acrylic powders, profiles, purple glitter, lavender bloom, a wildflowers glitter in Celtic Luxe. These are some of the wildflowers holographic glitters that I actually got in the class as part of my kit, which I love her micro holographic glitters. This is from Cordoza Nail Supply. This is a really pretty, super bright gold holographic glitter. A bronzy chunky glitter from Sparkle Eyes. We got a Young Nails Protein Bond in our goodie bag. This is a pretty like fuchsia glitter from our Tea Glow. I got a little tray for crystals and different embellishments. Sample of the Sanitize nail surface sanitizer from Famous Names, which I have used this and I really like it, and it does smell like cinnamon, and it doesn't actually make your client's skin all like chalky and white like regular remover or acetone does, so it's a little bit nicer on your client's skin. Also from Famous Names, a regular polish base coat, top coat, and a mini daddy oil. This is from Tony Lie's booth, which that was pretty cool that he was there. I believe this is going to be like a chrome powder, looks like. This is from Glitz, some little Swarovski crystals, Fire Mountain gems and beads, which there's just like a whole bunch of stuff in there. I'm going to have to look through there and see what looks like fun to use. I definitely see some crystals in there and just lots of like beads and a whole bunch of different things. Ooh, also one more thing, I got this Be Smooth Cuticle Saver, which is a really nice all natural cuticle like balm that you put on, which is pretty awesome, and it smells really good. So that is all of the goodies that I got at the Oregon Nail Expo. If you are in the area or you ever think that you could come, I definitely highly recommend it. It's really great for education and getting to see a lot of new products and getting to go shopping, which is super fun always. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if anything in the haul like caught your eye that you definitely are going to be picking up. I highly recommend, again, these Magpie chromes. Totally amazing, as you can see on my fingers. So thank you guys again. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.